Hello and welcome to the channel on this cold January day in 2019. About 3 years ago, we visited the Boothbay Village Outdoor Museum in Maine near the city of Augusta. And Boothbay Village has a little 2-foot gauge railroad on which they operate little 040T or tank engines from the German company of Henschel, built in the 1930s. But they pull historic Maine 2-foot gauge passenger equipment around about a 1.5 mile loop. And they have a wonderful program there that supports their restoration and preservation activities called the Engineers Society. For $225, you can get some instruction and actually get some throttle time on the foot plates of one of those little locomotives for about a couple of hours. And that's what we did in September of 2016. And I put together about an 8-minute video of my experience there. It was a wonderful time. I hope you enjoy it. And come back again and see us sometime. I'm trying to cover the plates keep coming through.
Yes, actually, here, let's
Yeah, that was on it. But the clock was going
Once you get on the brake track, it's not good. There we go. Just so they don't. Whenever they get so start bringing your throttle back, and just just play your throttle until we get right up to the crossing. Yep, keep going. You're actually doing very well. So right now, just shut your throttle off. Yep, leave your throttle bar there. Yep, leave it right there. Yep, so then you'll get a smooth stop. Yep, just like that. And then brake on. Yep, that's fine. Cylinder cock's open. And then neutral. Put your gun through. Yep, great. And then one whistle so they know we're not moving.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was blowing the arrival. I should have said this is one single beat. We're stopped and we're done. Right?
It's one blow is for them to put brakes on, and it's also acknowledgement that we're secure. We're not going to move anymore. So then they can let people on and off, you know.
Right.
So that's pretty normal. So.
Didn't get lost.
Okay. Whatever.
Just letting you know.
Don't fit. I was like, wait a minute. As long as he's aware of what he's doing.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the like button if you like what you saw, and the little bell so you'll be notified when other videos like this are posted on our channel. And hope you come back and see us again sometime. Oh, I forgot to mention, I'll put a link to the Boothbay Village website in the description below.